Welcome back to another episode of Let's Talk About EDC. Top 5 carry items. Top 5 carry items on my list. Bonus. This is a speaker. Bluetooth speaker. Plain and simple. We all know how they work. They're a lifesaver. This is a Bluetooth speaker and a power bank. So this is a double lifesaver. Yeah, 7,000 milliamps, nice and loud, does it all. Line in. I already showed, well, I'll show you again because, well, how does it do all that? Why does it do all that? I don't know. So, power bank, 7,000 milliamps, okay, DC 5 volts coming in, going out, fully charged, Treblab. Speakers are nice and loud. Bluetooth connection solid. Yeah, I don't really know what else to say about it. Bonus though. Don't leave home without it. I always have either a Bluetooth speakers or Bluetooth earbuds or iPods or something that I can play my music out of other than my phone, so I can get more longevity out of my battery from my phone. Yeah, those are the words. Yeah, bonus. Would it make your top 5? If you have anything to add, we'll leave the conversation right there. If you have anything to add, drop a comment below. If you like the video, you know what to do. If you want to subscribe, have at it. Thank you for watching. Have a blessed day. EDC. Over and out.